program, basically 10% of all schemes are now being allotted to young people. So that's persons under a certain age group, 35 and under. And so the NHT basically works with those persons, whether through the additional loan programs in obtaining or assisting you in getting or becoming a new homeowner. And I'm really, really grateful. I am so overjoyed for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My family is excited. I'm super overjoyed.
So this is government policy in action. We took a decision about 2 years ago that we would allocate 10% of all NHD homes to young people, 35 and under. But that's not the only commitment. We've also made commitments to building certain types of homes for young people and to provide special financing for young people. So yes, we want to get our young people being able to own their own home.
And I'm a proud beneficiary. Thank you.